Hi everybody, my name is Viren Khanna. I'm the founder of New Delhi Nature Society. We've just launched a new app called the Save Trees app. We have a QR code here, you can scan it with your phone. You can also find this app on the Google Play Store right now. So once you download the app, you register on it like you register on any other app. Once you open it, you have the home page right here. So the home page, you can scroll around, look for the different cases posted by people from all over the world. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we post a case from this app. You see the camera button in the center, you click on that. And now once the camera opens, you click a picture. Okay, next, proceed. The app automatically generates your GPS location. You can enter the number of trees being cut right now. It might be cut in the future. You can give a reason over here, or it's already been cut. So you can add any numbers, put a description here, any kind of explanation why the tree is getting cut. And over here we have an option to select whether to post this case as anonymous or as my username. Once I post the case, I can share this post with anybody through WhatsApp, through email. I can share it through Facebook. Now once a case is posted, like on the home screen, we can open any of the cases. Here we have all the details of that case. We have the location, we have how many trees are being damaged here, and the discussion. Through this map, if we click here, it goes straight to the Google Maps and it shows us how to get to that location where the tree is being cut. In case I want to update the case, I have to be at the original site where this case was posted. See, there's an error message if I try to update it from here because that case was posted from somewhere else. I need to be there in order to update that case. This is the share page. Once you press the share button, you can share this case with anybody. Maybe you can share it with the authorities, with legal team or anything. On the top we have a discussion page where users can communicate with each other and they can figure out how to save the trees. They can guide each other, they can share local laws with each other. Now on the top of the case we also have an eyeball icon over there. Once we click that, your case is added to the watch list. The watch list is here on the home page and it creates a list of all the cases that you're following. Now I'm coming to the notifications page. This page shows you all the comments in the cases which you're following. It shows you any updates in any of the cases which you're following. And if there's a new case posted in your area, it'll notify you about that too. From the more menu, we have a locations page here. Once we go there, we can add a location. We have two options here. You can either add a location with the city, state or country, or you can add a location by dropping a pin and setting a radius. So say the authorities have a certain jurisdiction, they can drop a pin somewhere. Yeah, so I've dropped a pin somewhere and then I can set a radius. So any cases posted within that radius, I will get to know about it. I can also put my own nickname for that place. Maybe I call it home or work, and I can add those locations. We have a tutorial section also in the more menu. Once you click that, there are several buttons over here which can teach you how to go through the app. One great thing about this app is you can also post cases when you are offline. So even if you don't have internet, you're traveling somewhere, maybe you don't have signal, you can still use this app and take pictures of trees getting damaged. Later when you do have internet, it'll get posted. Lastly, there's an option over here to invite people. Once you click that, you can use all your social media platforms once again and just invite all your friends to use this app. So the more people who use this app, the more trees we'll be able to save. So if you guys have any questions, we also have a feedback section in the more menu. Here you can post all your screenshots or enter some text and let us know about any problems you might see in the app or in case you have any suggestions. So in the next updates, we might have those new features. So looking forward to hear from everybody. Let us know your feedback.
Follow us on our social media pages. We're on Instagram, on Facebook, and we also have this app. You can follow it on Google Play Store. Don't forget to give us 5-star rating.
It's a free app. There are no ads on this app. We've built this app through a crowdfunding campaign. Thank you for helping us to save trees. Bye bye.